Hey everyone, brace yourselves. You're about to see chaos at its finest. Today's episode will make you question everything. Truth time. Met coworkers like this? Let's jump in.
Таня сейчас прыгать будет.
Ceiling fan said nope.
What the hell is that?
So just follow it with your eyes, okay?
Bro switched to third person view.
Get away with it. Oh, da do da day.
Oh my God!
The season again. Woo! Shit.
Are we allowed to check it out inside?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Bruh.
Cake gone. Dreams shattered.
Oh my God!
Can I go down the slide?
Yes, one.
Yeah, I saw on the chandelier and it brought the roof down.
Did they check you out when you banged?
Yeah.
And they said if you come back, you pay for yourself.
I'm gonna show what it's supposed to look like.
They said this was a bathroom. Where's the toilet? Oh, there it is. Where's the shower? Oh, there it is. And even a medicine cabinet.
Infinite meow.
كلني جي نانك مش غير وقوس
Oh kurwa!
He's gonna do the blue one. Look at this.
They put money by my tire because they want me to bend over so they can put goldfish up my butthole again and make me their snack that smiles back. but I'm not smiling back this time.
Oh no. The vet trusted the wrong driver.
David, danke für deinen Einsatz. Jesus Maria!
Responding to an emergency created another one.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Cameraman, helpful. 10% laughter, 90%.
Oh, dude. Stop. Your one wheels are up. Good. Right there. Park it.
Bruh.
Duh.
Oh, it's my bad.
You want me to know what the weather's like? Get back my big bonnet!
Nah, it's because I'm shoes, you know, like, I couldn't like think properly, like fucking killing me. Same shoes, man. What's going on?
Oh.
What the hell is that?
Panneau biche comme ça, il y a jamais de biche. C'est juste histoire de prévenir au cas où. Oh punaise! Mais c'est quoi ce délire? Mais je rêve ou quoi?